today we're going to talk about LoveHer and how LoveHer actually has some of the key supplements that are very helpful no matter what the hormone disorder or imbalance is. So LoveHer right here, I'm just going to go through some of the ingredients here as a talking point, all right? So when you look at some of the vitamins that are really crucial, you're looking at methylated B vitamins. So it has a methylated B12 in terms of methylated cobalamin, and there's P5P as a B vitamin, methylated folate. Methylation is a really key piece of helping your hormone balance in the body. And methylation means that there are certain foods and there are certain supplements that provide what we call methyl groups. And methyl groups actually is a really important part of getting rid of excess hormones and hormone breakdown products in your body. Methylation is one of the pathways, one of the key pathways in detoxification in your body and in hormone detoxification. So when your hormones break down in your body, certain parts of it can be toxic. If it's reabsorbed and recirculate in your body, it can create increased cancer risk. It can create imbalances where certain hormones are higher than the other, because rather than detoxifying, getting out of your body, it's actually reabsorbed and recirculated into your body as a very toxic metabolite of hormone detoxification process. So methylation is one of the key ways to get rid of toxic hormones. So which is why having methylated B vitamins and what we call methyl donors in a hormone supplement is key, and LoveHer has it in spades in methylation. The other thing that's really important is if you look at what are some of the key concepts in other ways to get rid of hormones in your body is a second process called glucuronidation. Big word, but it's basically the way with which the gut bacteria in your gut and your intestinal cells actually help to detoxify some of these hormones and help you poop it out. Bind it, get rid of it. So that part is really important. And what are some a key supplement in here that is really ingredient is calcium D-glucarate. So if you actually look at the ingredients in here, calcium D-glucarate is in here and it's in spades, and it's one of the super supplements. We have calcium D-glucarate separately, but I love LoveHer because it's a combination of things that all work together for any hormone condition. So we see calcium D-glucarate as really helpful in dealing with people who have PCOS or people who have estrogen dominance, because it helps with glucuronidation. It helps with your getting those toxic hormones out of your poop, literally. And so calcium D-glucarate is another ingredient in it that's super helpful, and LoveHer has that. Other ingredients that we're looking in here is chaste tree extract. Another name for chaste tree extract is Vitex. Chaste tree extract or Vitex is really great to help increase progesterone. And many of the hormone disturbances that we're talking about suffers from not enough progesterone or not really resiliency in your progesterone production to actually balance some of these other hormone making that's happening. So chaste tree and Vitex, really great, okay? And then if you look here, there's also DIM. DIM is really great in terms of it's super helpful in estrogen balance, okay? So DIM is wonderful. We also have another product called DIMtastic, but there's DIM in LoveHer. And DIM is also one of the active ingredients in cruciferous that actually helps people with balancing their estrogen balance. Regardless of which hormone pattern is, DIM is incredibly helpful. And green tea extract in here, and black cohosh. Black cohosh is super helpful for people who are dealing with hot flashes. Green tea extract is incredible to help your liver work better, to detoxify your body of toxins. It works as an antioxidant. It's really helpful in all hormone imbalances. So this is a killer combination. I typically, even if someone is waiting for testing results and they want to get started on something for their hormones, LoveHer 2 a day is what I recommend. Until you have more data that you can target approach, this is a really great general supplement. And what could you use LoveHer for with all these ingredients for? I think about it in terms of for teenagers who are having really painful periods or heavy periods or bad PMS, LoveHer is really great because that chaste tree and that DIM really helps in that estrogen progesterone balance to really help with regulating periods, decreasing the blood flow, cramping with periods, and also people with a lot of PMS, mental health or mood swings associated with it. LoveHer is perfect for that. Okay. The other group, well, there are many groups. The other group that it's helpful for is also people, teenagers or adults with adult acne. And it's worse around certain times of your period, or, darkening of your skin. Those are some symptoms that are frequently associated with PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Green tea extract in here is crazy for that. And it's really great for that. The methylated vitamins are really great for that. So it's good for that. people with hormonal migraines. Frequently, hormonal migraines are triggered by the estrogen and progesterone imbalance, and sometimes really high levels of testosterone can also trigger hormonal migraines. And I know a lot of you put some gifts about those migraines there. So there are many ways to deal with that with balancing your hormones, which is why we have programs around hormone balance in Transform Autoimmune and my Hormone Masterclass, right? But at the same time, what can you do? What is supplementation that's super helpful with hormonal migraines is LoveHer, because it actually has the hormones supplementation that's necessary to help with that estrogen progesterone balance and to help with over amount of testosterone stimulation in PCOS. So hormonal migraines. Now, as far as perimenopausal or postmenopausal symptoms, we still see patterns of estrogen progesterone imbalance or no hormones that can cause tons of hormonal symptoms. And if you look at LoveHer, it's the DIM that's super helpful in there, and the calcium D-glucarate really helps get rid of that buildup of excess estrogen that we see so much in perimenopause and postmenopause. So regardless of what the hormone patterns are, LoveHer and the ingredients in it, and I've gone over those ingredients. We're talking about DIM, we're talking about chaste tree, we're talking about calcium D-glucarate, green tea extract, and we're also talking about methylated B vitamins, are all essential no matter what the hormone imbalance is, which is why it's something to think about. Of course, I will be doing more trainings and teachings later this week just about why data is so important and how we use data in our programs to actually really do a specific targeted approach to supplementation and lifestyle around hormone balance. But I hope this was helpful. This is all about LoveHer, which is our #1 bestseller, because personally, I've been continuing to take it. And you guys know I hit menopause at the age of 36. I'm currently 50, turning 51 in a couple of weeks. And so this particular kind of ingredients has been super helpful for me personally in dealing with various hormonal symptoms I've had personally and the thousands of people that I've worked with and people in our programs. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys are enjoying Holiday Hormone Hack Week. What I want to do is tonight, we are going to be hosting a watch party in our Facebook group on Holiday Hormone Hack #2. Tonight's gonna be all about cruciferous vegetables. So make sure you tune in. We're hosting a live Facebook watch party. If you are watching this and you're outside our Facebook group, join our Facebook group, Transform Autoimmune Disease Naturally, where you can download the guide and you can watch our other trainings like this and other trainings around Holiday Hormone Hack. All right, everybody. And if you are interested in working with us in Transform Autoimmune, our main flagship program, or in our hormone program, specifically our hormone balance program called My Hormone Masterclass, feel free to book a chat with us. And Amanda is going to post a link in our Facebook group in the comment sections. You can book a chat with us to talk about which programs could be right for you.